In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Odoo version. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Odoo is a powerful tool for business management, and knowing your version is essential for troubleshooting and understanding what features are available to you. The process is pretty straightforward, so let's break it down step by step. First, the first step is to access your Odoo site. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Odoo website that you've built. Once you're on your homepage, look for the Settings panel. This is usually located in the top navigation bar or within a sidebar. Click on that to enter the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Odoo system. Now, once you're in the Settings area, you'll need to look for the About section. To find it, scroll down the Settings page until you see this area. This section contains vital information about your Odoo installation, including the version number. It's often placed below other settings and should be easy to spot. After you've reached the About section, you'll find the information you need. The current version of Odoo will be clearly displayed there. Typically, it would look something like SAS 19.3e, followed by the annotation Enterprise Edition if you have the Enterprise subscription. This confirmation is important because it tells you precisely what features and capabilities you have access to as an Odoo user. If you're not seeing the information you expect, make sure you have the necessary permissions to access these settings. Sometimes, depending on your user role within Odoo, certain sections may remain hidden from you. In case you want a visual aid to help you through the process, I encourage you to check out the images on our accompanying website. They provide a visual representation of each step I just described, showing exactly what the settings page looks like and how to navigate to the About section. Remember, knowing your version not only helps you in navigating Odoo, but also is crucial when seeking support or updates. Different versions can have different features, and this knowledge facilitates better communication with Odoo's support team should you need assistance. So, in summary, to find your Odoo version, go to your website, navigate to the Settings panel, scroll down to the About section, and check the version displayed there. Easy, right? If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support motivates us to create more informative content, and we'd love to keep sharing these tips with you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.